Welcome guys to another video from Classic Games United, right? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove the letterbox from Call of Juarez Gunslinger and how to add developer menu, right? I know it's an old game. The game came out in 2013, but back then guys, and I've played this game here, was truly an amazing experience. You understand? The best Wild West gunslinger action pack storytelling game ever made by Techland. Alright, and I decided to dive back into the game, you understand, to see how it hold up in 2025. And I was looking for a way to remove the black box, because the black box just hide a lot of features from the game. You can't see the player hand and stuff. So if you're going back through this game in 2025 and you do like the letterbox, then this video is for you. So without further ado guys, let's get into the game. So one more thing, remember to go into the video settings and set the game to your you have to go into the video settings and like set your hertz. Like my screen is 144 Hz, so I want to set this, but if I set it here it will change back. Alright, so I will show you to fix that after, but let's get into the game, right? So I'll get back into the game and you always see the letterbox, right? So I will be back. Alright guys, we're in the game, right? And as you can see, the black letterbox, and as you see, no developer menu here. And this doesn't make no sense. This letterbox doesn't make no sense because it just takes away a lot from the game. You understand? As you see, it hides the player hands, it just hides the environment from seeing the entire world. It's just blocking a lot of things, and it's very unnecessary to have this letterbox here. So if you're in 2025 and you're going through the game and you want to remove the letterbox, then this video will help, right? So I don't want to stay long guys, let's just jump right back. Let's just jump into that part of the video, and I'll show you to remove the letterbox and how to add the developer menu. Alright, so I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. As you see, I have 3 files here. I have the backup of the data pack, and this is the develop menu. This is the modded data pack, and we have the fix that will remove the letterbox, right? So what we'll do now, we will install the letterbox fix, right? So let's go to local disk wherever your game saves are. Just go to it, just follow me. Then I will go to I'll go to C, go to users, username, app data, local, right, and look for Techland. Okay, look for Techland, Call of Juarez out, settings, and this is where the video file will go. Alright, so you will open up another folder. Alright, go to where you have the file downloaded. Open this with Notepad++. Alright, then max refresh rate, change that to 100. Change it to the refresh rate on your screen. My refresh rate is 144, and this is all you need to change guys, right? And just click save. Start off. Alright, so you're gonna open up this folder, then open up here, minimize the box, and just drag the fix here and replace. Alright, now for the developer menu now. Alright, go to where I have the game installed. For me, I purchased the game on Steam, so I have it on Steam. So I will go to Steam folder, Steam apps, go to command, Call of Juarez Gunslinger, Call of Juarez 4, and the data pack will go inside of here. Alright, so go up to here, go up to here, go to the data pack, same thing, minimize the window, and let's drag and drop and replace. And that is all you need to do to enable the developer menu and to remove this stupid letterbox, right? So once I go back in the game, guys, you're gonna see, right? So I'll be back. Guys, we're back in the game, right? So let's go to here. Video, as you see, 144. So, and then we're going to the game, alright? Go straight into the game. There you go, guys. Voila, screen has been removed. You could now see the entire map. You understand? You can see the entire map now. So the game looks much better, and you have the developer menu right here. Alright, so you go to cheats, and you could turn on God mode, turn on cheats. Let's see, unlimited ammo. Turn this on. Alright. So you could turn this on, off. Alright, so you have gun mode on. You could turn on all skills. Alright. Alright. So when you go here now, you see, they could be shooting you and you wouldn't die. So that means the menu is working. So you have unlimited ammo. So I'm just gonna lower back up the volume, guys, so you will hear the volume.
Slippery as hell. The whole town was up in arms. And suddenly, I was a fugitive.
How the hell did the kid escape? Sheriff's gonna kick our ass! Can't have gotten far! Gotta be around here somewhere. Got it!
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. That you all enjoyed that video. So if you want more helpful videos like this guys, don't forget to subscribe to Classic Games United, and I'll always make sure to make more helpful videos like this. I know this is a very old game, came out in 2013, but still it's a really amazing game. Amazing gunplay. The atmosphere is nice and kinda cartoonish. The story is immersive, and if you want to experience this old game in 2025, then this is the best way to experience it without the letterbox. And you can add the developer menu if you're struggling with the game. Alright, so if you want to speed run through the game, you use the developer menu. So this will be it for the video guys. Until next video, take care, be safe, be blessed, and so guys, take care and bye. Also, if you realize the field of view is kind of too bad, you could change the field of view as well. So as you can see part of the gun. You could just go back in the video file and you could change the field of view. Alright, so thanks for watching guys, and take care and bye.